We had PPI, which was showing that inflation is growing slowly, inflation is reducing, but there was no response from the market. So when there was no response from the market, it tells us that inflation is not a big issue right now. So it's all about tariffs. Plan was only long the market if VIX breaks 23.90. If VIX does not break that, we will be shorting the market. It's a VIX strategy, my famous VIX strategy that I teach you guys every day. So as soon as the market opened, what I saw was there was a weakness. Why was that? Right out of the gate, the VIX was bouncing off 24s. And that's why this was over 930. We were not looking to long anything. QQQ was rejecting the MTF clouds right at the open, and strict guidance was not to long anything. You can short it, but there was definitely no long. And this is our repeatable setup. We showed in the 930 and you cover into 10 a.m. I said short scalps okay on QQQ, SPY as well, no long. First target was 472.30s on QQQs. And we met our first target right into the 10 a.m. So that was a nice $3 fade or $4 fade. So that was our morning short. If you were trading ES futures, that was also a short, 55.90s to 55.60. You got 25-30 points there. So that was a decent trade in the morning, because in the morning this VIX was bouncing. That was a 9:30 to 10 a.m. trade. We covered our shorts right on the pops right here. So the morning trades were successful, but the problem is every day we get this bounce, right? 10 a.m. Where did the bounce come? 10 a.m. 10 a.m. concept. I teach you guys every day. That's why we cover into 10 a.m. It's a repeatable concept. You can use this concept to consistently make money in the market and manage your position. We were out of the shorts on the 10 a.m. bounces. You can trade the 10 a.m. bounce, but it's a B minus. I don't like to trade anything long under the clouds. We did cover our shorts, but look what happened later. Again, the market failed. 10:37. I told everyone, do not be long on the market. And you want to short it, you short it. You just have to have a good entries. The morning short was here. You could short another right here, 557. You put your stops at $1 here, goes to the low of the day, an all day fade. The puts again ran nicely. And because when you see the VIX reclaiming 24, guys, that was it. There was no longs. This should have not been long. Nobody in my community losing in this environment going long. This environment is bearish because CPI doesn't matter, job doesn't matter, PPI doesn't matter. Market wants tariffs to go away. If you look at the daily chart on SPY, we've been breaking down. There is no real reversal. If you can draw a downtrend line on SPY, you can see that we will reverse when we get out of that downtrend line. We'll reverse when we finally break VIX down back to 20s, under 20s. That's when the reversal will come. Once VIX breaks 20s, we can get back long. But right now we are in a bearish trend. Same for QQQ, bearish QQ trend. But anyways, that was a story. There was a morning shorts, there was a midday shorts. Do not be long, do not be long, do not be long. So really nice day on SPY QQQ. Some other trades in the community today. There was a lot of short setups in the morning. Apple, daily day 4, still bearish, 215 support, 217 resistance. When market is bearish, guys, you can pick any of these names and you can just short it. Apple being the big part of the market, usually an easy short. We have been shorting Apple every day. Once that 215 was gone, that was an easy short, and you see that 3450 rejects.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.